What up, YouTube? 801 Infernape here again with another pack opening. So we have 10 packs, 2 Rising Rivals, 1 Power Keepers, 1 Legends Awaken, 1 Arceus, 1 Deoxys EX, and 4 Noble Victories. Alright, so let's jump right into this. Start out with the Rising Rivals packs. Alright, so we'll do the card trick. Alright, so we have Nidoran, Nidoran Male, Kecleon, Paraviana, Quagsire GL, Technical Machine G, Darkness Energy, Gengar GL, Reverse Gastrodon, it's a rare, and then Aggron rare. Alright. The Houndoom pack now. One, two, three, 1, 2. So we have Munchlax, Aerodactyl GL, Weedle, Kecleon, Houndoom 4, Scizor 4, Steelix GL, Alakazam 4, Reverse Flareon 4, and Snorlax rare. Alright, now we will do Power Keepers. I'm not really sure what the card trick is on this. I think it's 2. Let's just try it. If not, it's alright. Alright, so we have Magnemite, Beldum, Clawfossil, Torchic, Ralts, Charmeleon, a Charmander Reverse, a Phoebe Stadium, and the rare is a Darkness Energy. So I was wrong, but it's alright. Okay, now we'll do the Deoxys EX Deoxys pack. I've never seen one of these packs, and I'm so stoked to find one. So hopefully there's something good. Alright, Corphish, Coughing, Barboach, Electrike, Mokuhita. The reverse is a Natu, and the rare is a Ludicolo. Alright, Masquerain and Balloonberry. Sorry about that. Alright, next we'll do the Arceus pack. Hopefully I get a Toxicroak. I really want one of those bad. Oops. Pack's being a pain in the butt. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's Snorunt, there's Shinx, an Omanyte, a Cherubi, Mokuhita, Buffer Piece, Ultimate Zone, Lucky Egg, another Arceus, and a Raichu rare. Grass Arceus. Got 3 of these now. Definitely up for trade if anybody wants one. Come on. Alright, now the Legend Awakened. So we have Dratini, Tentacool, Gaida, Cubone, Houndour, Marowak, Drifblim, Ladian, reverse is a Frostlass Hollow. reverse is a Frostlass rare, and a Giratina holo. This one's up for trade. Pretty sure I have 2 of them. Alright, now moving on to the Noble Victories. Hopefully we grab another full art. So I'm getting closer to completing all of them. 3, 1, 2. Alright. Larvesta, Pansear, Litwick, Timber, Dynamo, Electrike, Plume Fossil, Duosis, reverse of the Fungus, and the rare is a Reuniclus. Alright, now the Hydreigon pack. One, two, three, 1, 2. Alright, so we have Solosis, Carablast, Temple, Litwick, Frillish, Tortoga, Eviolite, as well as reverse Druddigon, and another Landorus holo. So Landorus is up for trade. Let's throw these both in sleeves. That's a really awesome reverse. Alright, now we have a Kyurem pack. One, two, three, 1, 2. Alright, so we have a Ponard, Fungus, Dynamo, Dino, Shelmet, Lampent, I don't even know, Fracture, reverses Durant, and an Electros holo. It's a new one. Haven't gotten that one yet. Alright, and the last pack is a Druddigon pack. Oops. Alright. 1, 2. Alright. So we have Elgium, Dino, Ponard, Vanillic, Stunfisk, Heatmore, as well as Mianchu, reverses that thing, and another holo Venusaur. This is up for trade if you guys want it. Alright guys, let's do the recap real quick. Venusaur holo, Electros, Durant reverse, Druddigon reverse, Landorus holo, Reuniclus, Fungus, Giratina, Frostlass, alright guys, just comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.